Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we talk ZBCN price update, price analysis. Make sure to click the like, sir, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, and let's dive into the video. Look, sir, we've been talking about a pullback for ZBCN. We've been talking about a cool-off potential coming, and there it is. Okay, there it is. Now we have a potential new risk here. It's not a real risk, but a risk of more downside because you have a potential head and shoulders here on the ZBCN smaller time frame. Okay, from you can see from here that was your left shoulder, the head and the right shoulder broke down the neckline. Again, this is just short term. Okay, we're looking for a pullback, we were looking for a cool off, and now it looks like we're gonna get it. And this will be the second leg down inside of a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 move up, sir. So make sure, click the like, subscribe to the channel. I will show you what I'm looking for on ZBCN for this move. Okay, so look, this is just speculation. Okay, this is Elliott wave, Elliott wave count analysis. Okay, so this looks like to me that was your leg 1 for ZBCN. Then you have a leg 2, then you had a leg 3, 4 correction, and 5 double top here. Could be. Looks like to me this is the first wave of ZBCN bull market inside of a 5 waves. 5 ways up, 2 down, 3 up. Okay, so this is leg 1. Okay, all this thing is leg 1 right now completed. Stay with me. This is important. If you're bullish on ZBCN, you gotta understand how markets move. Okay, you don't want to follow all these people on YouTube telling you nonsense on tech. It's not tradable. Okay, you want something tradable. Okay, when do you buy? And this Elliott wave theory is one of the best tools to have as a trader and investor. Okay, so let's say leg 1 completed. Now we're looking for a pullback of leg 2 to unfold. Okay, so we already hit the Fibonacci, the 50% Fibonacci here. Can definitely pull back to this level, to the 618 Fibonacci at around 32. That will actually be a retest of the prior, let me go back here, all-time high. Kind of all-time high. The all-time high was around 34, if I'm not mistaken, or 33, like this here, somewhere around here. Or it can also go lower. It can also go to this level. You can see this is the 786, I think, 786, yes, Fibonacci. That will be the breakout, retest of the breakout point of the accumulation range. Can happen. Anything can happen. This is crypto. The best thing to do is really, if we spot it. Okay, we spot it. We talked about the potential of a leg 1 to be completed. Once you see something like that, you want to take profits. You want to sell. You want to sell into the hype, into the pump, into the FOMO, because most people, they don't know. They just buying tops. They have no strategy. They don't know what they're doing. Really, they don't know what. Most people are just, they don't know. Okay, now leg 2 is where you buy. Okay, on the bottom of leg 2 or on the transition to leg 3. So let's say, again, this is just speculation, gonna pull back, consolidate, do some kind of a bottom here, all right, or lower or higher, it doesn't matter, and then start advancing. Okay, start building some kind of a base and ramping up into another leg up. That's the transition to leg 3. Okay, so now we are in leg 2. Looking for the bottom of leg 2. Probably, again, this could take some time. Okay, it could take some time. I'll show you what I mean. But here you want to buy here. Okay, so really make sure to join the community. Link below, sir. We're gonna nail ZBCN. Now we're not trading ZBCN. We're trading other. This market is getting hot as F. We have trades printing double-digit gains today. Amazing market. Go ahead and join our community, sir. This is the time to make money. Flip your gains from ZBCN to other names. All right, now, again, this is the big picture, okay? This is the big picture of ZBCN, okay? Let's say that was your first leg. It was, how many weeks it was. Let's look on the monthly. Okay, so that was like pretty much 2 months. 2 months of a leg 1. This probably gonna be, some kind of a couple of weeks, maybe a little bit less, a little bit a little bit more of like a consolidation. consolidation for leg 2. Okay, so now let's look on the small, like this chart. Okay, so some kind of a consolidation can be something like, I think it will be longer than this. I think it will be something like this, again, something like this, or something, a bit longer. Again, depends when Bitcoin will roll over for a pullback. But really, this is the time that the opportunity will be revealed itself. Okay, this is the next best buying opportunity for ZBCN for this cycle. The first best buying opportunity was here, was the breakout. We spotted, I'll show you the trade alert we shared in the community from May 19th. We bought it at 1.9 and we tripled the size on 2.1. Okay, we bought it here, right, man? Here on the right time on 1.9 and on 2.1. That's how you make money in crypto. Okay, you want to make money. Okay, you buy at the right time, you sell into the parabolic FOMO hype. You just cash out your profit. We almost quadrupled the money, on the runners. And now we're waiting. Actually tried to take a little bounce play trade yesterday, but I got stopped out. I actually bought a little bit here. I thought it will do like a triple bottom, but then I put my stop here, got stopped out. So for me, now I'm letting it cool off. I have other trades now printing, focusing on these babies, and I'm watching ZBCN daily for when it will complete leg 2. We are now in leg 2. It's a downward leg. Okay, leg 1 is an upward leg. Okay, now once you complete leg 2, you go to leg 3, which is a monster explosive move. Okay, usually much bigger than leg 1. All right, so this is the time for ZBCN investors and traders to, again, some people will just buy. They don't care to be down. They don't care to be in a temporary loss or a drawdown. Me, I'm not my cup of tea, man. I like to buy when it's going up. Okay, just like it did here. I bought it and it went up. Okay, so I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait for it to bottom out, do some kind of a tradable bottom. Then I'm gonna load up and I'm gonna add into the rally. Okay, I'm gonna add into the rally because I know once leg 2 is completed, we're gonna have plenty of time to buy ZBCN and ride it for minimum couple of strong weeks, can be even couple of months of a bull run. All right. So really, if you're holding ZBCN, don't be scared. It's natural. Okay, you had your leg 1. Okay, it's natural. It went up 10x almost, last month. It's natural to pull back to the 30s. It is also natural to pull back to the 21. Again, if it breaks below the 21, that's going to be a concern to me. But again, I'm waiting. I'm watching it. I'm actually mega bullish on ZBCN, expecting very, very high valuation after it complete leg 2, expecting it to really go nuclear. And yeah, put ZBCN on your radar, smash the like, subscribe to the channel. Guys, make sure to join our community. Make sure to get yourself a B2Nix account. You can trade ZBCN there with leverage, without leverage. Amazing exchange. You can trade it from the US. Use the link below, man. From the US, no VPN, no KYC, man. That's amazing. That's unheard of and insanely low fees, man. Really, if you trade from the US, man, you gotta get your B2Nix account. You gotta get your B2Nix account. This is like, man, I cannot stress it enough. This is the best exchange. Really, all the members use B2Nix now from the US, definitely. And we also use Mexi, okay? But many people cannot use Mexi. So B2Nix is the daddy, man. I love B2Nix. And yeah, get yourself an account and really join our community, man. Come print with us. And we're going to nail the next ZBCN rally. Absolutely. This coin now is, every day I'm watching the charts multiple times. So I have Bitcoin and then I have ZBCN. Okay, this is the most important coin now for me as a crypto trader. So really, if you want to trade ZBCN, for sure, always join our community. We're not going to miss any trade on ZBCN, any long, definitely. Guys, so thank you guys for watching. Smash the like, subscribe, click the bell. See you in the next video. Cheers.